Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Measure and prepare ingredients before you start. Use 1 pound fresh jalapeños, 4 cloves garlic, and 1 teaspoon dried oregano. For the brine, combine 2 cups white vinegar, 5% acidity, and 2 cups water. Then stir in 2 tablespoons kosher salt and 2 tablespoons sugar until dissolved. Add a teaspoon of black peppercorns or 1 bay leaf for extra flavor. Keep measuring spoons and a 1-quart pot ready, so you can heat the brine immediately after assembling spices and peppers. Rinse and dry the peppers. Wear gloves if you want to avoid skin irritation. Slice jalapeños into 1/4 inch rounds or leave small peppers whole, making a 1/2 inch slit to allow brine penetration. Sterilize jars, then pack peppers tightly and tuck in 4 crushed garlic cloves and a teaspoon of oregano per jar, leaving 1/2 inch headspace. Bring the brine to a rolling boil on medium-high heat, then carefully pour it hot over the peppers until they are fully submerged. After filling jars, wipe the rims clean, place lids, and tighten rings finger-tight to allow air to escape during processing. For shelf-stable pickles, process the jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes. Adjust processing time for altitude according to local guidelines. If you skip canning, cool jars and refrigerate. Refrigerated pickles are ready in 24 hours but reach peak flavor after 3 days and will keep for about 2 months in the fridge. Label jars with date and store out of direct sunlight.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.